Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, The Right to Bear Arms. Well, we're going to try this MostComTac belly holster. We're replacing the Dinosaur's belly band because the Velcro, well, it's not really Velcro, has now died. These still grab down here, as you can see, but where I need it, unfortunately, it's now worn out. There's nothing here for it to grab, and it's not really a, I think it was kind of like a wool or something like that, but I've been wearing this about 3 months, I believe. 3 to 4 months, and that's all it lasted me. I'm going to have to modify it myself with an actual Velcro on it. Be aware of that. They won't replace it. So once you buy it, you're done. Okay. We're going to see how this works out. I'm not sure how their quote Velcro setup is. We'll take a look. We can see that it has some holes set up in it for if you've got it against your skin. It's gonna give it a little more breathing. I guess I call them breathing holes. Where the Dinosaur's does not. It appears it's got a different texture than Dinosaur's does. I was pulling it just a minute ago, and it's got a little bit of stretch to it. Dinosaur's does not. I don't know why. As far as the layout's concerned, I think they're pretty much the same layout. This one here, you can carry two guns in, and then it's got a mag holder. This one here, you're only going to carry one. Looks like we got either a phone holder, got a zippered area. It's like a mag holder. I think this is set up to hold the mag. It's actually got Velcro. The mag go right in there. That'll hold the mag in. This is the Dinosaur's has a strap. This one does too. This has got two buttonholes, depending on how thick you want it. It's also stretchy. And you got another mag holder. This combination, I don't know really which one to put in here. It's a phone holder. I think one's a phone holder. We got two mags. Gun mag, gun mag, and another holder there. It's another Velcro, and they're actually using Velcro. Maybe it's a knife holder, knife or a mag. I don't know. Whichever, whatever you want to do, I guess. And then a zip pocket here for your wallet. Now what I'm looking at is actual holding power. These have got, I think that's actually a medium form of Velcro. It's some similar to that. As you can see, the shininess of that. Okay. Well, we're going to have to see. We'll move everything over to this one. Now, of course, being Byrnas, they got a larger muzzle on them. And of course, if you're going to add a accessory, a tack light or a laser to it, I had to modify by cutting the here, okay? And it looks like I may have to do the exact same thing to, I don't know, it's got a wire. It does have a wire area, doesn't it? I don't know, I'll have to look. Let's see. May not have to. Because this one put it right down in the middle of it. It's right down in the middle of it. And there's 2 inches there. It's about 2 inches there. It's like I'm going to have to modify it. Well, okay. Well, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next Dana's Vlogs, The Right to Bear Arms. This is the evaluation, or the unboxing and the evaluation of the MostComTac belly holster. And the other thing is the price. I only paid $18 for this, vice 50 something for the dinosaur res.